Good evening, I'm Alan Sinclair. Finding and tackling cancer before there are symptoms. It's the ambition of a clinical trial for a new blood test which could detect the early stages of at least 10 common cancers. More than 385,000 cases of cancer are diagnosed each year here in the UK. That's one person every 2 minutes. Over 50% of patients in England and Wales will go on to survive for 10 years or more, thanks to screening for certain cancers and early treatment. But some cancers, including ovarian, pancreatic and esophageal, are often difficult to detect until they're advanced. Now, 1,000 patients are being recruited across Hampshire and Dorset to help develop one simple blood test which could pick up early signs of the disease. Among those patients, a man from North Baddesley who's already had cancer twice. Our health correspondent Alastair Fee has more.
Ian knows more than most the importance of early diagnosis. In the last 5 years, he's had cancer twice. On both occasions, it was caught early.
It's meant the impact on my life was minimal. I had some symptoms of physical pain with the first cancer, absolutely no symptoms of physical pain with the second cancer. It meant the recovery time from both operations was very minimal. I've not had chemotherapy, I've not had radiotherapy. My life has gone on pretty much as normal.
A new blood test could potentially catch many more cancers earlier. A study called MODERNISED is looking for signals in the blood that suggest the immune system is responding to the very first signs of cancer in the body.
We recognise that tumours have this, what we call this pre-malignant stage, where we see that the cells are starting to become abnormal, and this kind of the earliest sort of formations of cancer are beginning, and clearly that would be an ambition to be able to detect cancers at that stage where you can do something about it.
Researchers are recruiting patients being screened for cancer from 5 hospitals across Hampshire and Dorset. Their blood samples are taken away to be analysed at the Southampton Clinical Trials Unit.
What the test is looking at is changes in amino acids, like proteins that are associated with that early immune response. So they act as the clues as to whether or not the cancer might be present in that sample. And that's why we're really excited to look at how well this test performs with those early stage cancers. Are we seeing a bigger signal for those early stage cancers which would improve that earlier diagnosis?
Around 385,000 new cancers are diagnosed every year. For those patients, like Ian, the treatment can be fast and effective.
I have been so lucky. I haven't been shy about telling people I've had cancer because I don't look like I've had cancer. And cancer now, on an early diagnosis, it's just a bump in the road. That's it. End of story.
These are early stages, but the team has big ambitions. The findings of this trial could one day lead to regular screening in GP practices, catching cancer even before patients have symptoms. Alastair Fee, BBC South Today.